Yo guys, JL Fishing back with another video. Yeah, it's just gonna be another fishing video. It was really cold this morning. It was in like the 47 degrees when I woke up. We had our first frost on the grass. It's like 66 right now, but as you can tell, it's very windy. So I'm just gonna use a crankbait and then a spinnerbait and see what I catch. All right guys, so we're gonna start off on this side with the crankbait. I got it on my bait caster right here, but yeah, it's been a pretty busy week for me. So let's see if we can catch our first fish. This crankbait does dive from 1 to 3 feet. I really honestly don't know how deep this side is, so we're gonna wing it for a little bit. All right, we got stuck on some grass, but that's all right. We just gotta fling it out there. I always get snagged over here for some reason on my spinner bait. I got snagged and then I got unsnagged, and the hook was pretty bent out of shape. So it's really grassy, but there's a bunch of tiny little bait fish right here. So that's a good sign. That's always a good sign. Yeah, I apologize that the audio is terrible. It is very windy. So that's that. I've only caught one fish in this pond with the crankbait. More grass. All right, so we got a dog in the water. Let's see how this goes. Every time I go fishing with the dogs here, he always like chases the bait, which is very annoying, but you know, he's already in the water, so I'll just cast away from him. Oh my God. If he gets stuck, I'm not going in there. All right, guys, we're gonna move spots. We're just gonna go on that side, mostly because the dog's over here. So yeah, guys, I just had my first nibble on the crankbait. So you can see the dog's over there, so that's gonna be an issue. But I have hope that we can at least catch one fish today. Like I said, it is really windy, so I apologize for the audio. I doubt any bass are over there, but you know. For those that were wondering, Big Bertha has died. We found her afloat like a week ago. We pulled her out just to check what made her die, and she got greedy and ate a really big bluegill, and it was just stuck in her throat. So yeah, that happened. But yeah, so rip to that guy. I'll put a picture up on the screen right now if y'all haven't seen it, haven't seen the video, or don't know who I'm talking about when I say Big Bertha. Go check out that video. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, that easy 7-pounder was found dead a week ago. God, this dumb dog, bro. Psych. All right, so we're gonna put this guy away. Not really, we're just gonna go switch to the spinning reel that has the spinner bait. All right, there we go. Yep, so I just switched to the spinning one, my spinning reel. Hopefully we have better luck with this one than we do with the crankbait. All right, so we moved a little bit. We haven't fully gone over to that side. Oh, that's a fish, that's a fish, that's a fish. On the spinnerbait, let's go. Let's go. Oh, we spit it out. Dang it. Dang it. All right, let's see if we can recatch this, guys. I don't know if y'all saw that, but that was my fault. I didn't even know what was going on. All I did was felt a fish. I didn't even set the hook or anything. He hooked himself. That was a good one too. That was like 2 pounds. Dang. Oh God, that sucks. That's gonna haunt me. That's gonna haunt me. All right, so I know they're here. If there's one, there's gotta be more. But that sucks. That was me. I kind of just froze in the moment. Dang. That's gonna haunt me. Watch that. I'm not even gonna catch any more fish today. That was it. A fish did blow up next to it, so let's see what happens, because this, wow, I'm heartbroken. This sucks. This sucks. All right, well, that was a pretty good fish too, so I'm very heartbroken. I'm gonna go home, cry, lock myself in my room. Wow. Well, that's that, guys. Ant. Well, guys, as you can see in the disappointment of my face, we came up empty-handed. Me being in dummy zone over there in that corner, I hooked on a 2-pounder, but I froze. Yeah, so that's that. And then I lost one over there. I set the hook too early. But yeah, guys, that's my that was my day today. Just remember, fishing was easy. It'd be called catching. Also, up, I snagged on my spinner bait, so that came off, and then it broke my $13 crankbait. The lip broke. So yeah, it's been a pretty crappy day, but it is what it is.